Okay, so here's the padlock review, the biometric padlock that I've just purchased. The first look, the body is solid, brass body, and it's a stainless steel pin, and the padlock is quite big, quite solid, and quite heavy. This is the sensor, and there's a charging port. It's quite fast. Less than 1 second response time. And if you use the wrong fingerprint, it will not detect. Okay, my thoughts on this is that okay, first of all, it's only manual, meaning that everything has to be set through the sensor there. It has two admin so-called admin fingerprint, and you can have up to 20 other fingerprints, and everything has to be done manually within the sensor you see just now. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this purchase. It's around 220 ringgit, but it's worth it. It's not as expensive as AEGLOC Home punya padlock or any other type of padlock. Any tech punya padlock is very bad because I've seen a review on that and it's quite bad. One tap of the padlock and it breaks free, but this one is solid. There's no way you can break this, I mean, through regular means lah. So yeah, recommended for all. If you're looking for a good and not so expensive biometric padlock, you can go for this. Yeah, see, quite fast, right? But word of advice, if you purchase this and you first time trying it, make sure you charge it, because mine came with a low battery. So I had some problem setting it because of the low battery. I didn't know that it has low battery until I read the manual. So charge it first, about 10 minutes before you set it up, and after that you set it up according to the user manual given. So yeah, I think that's it for my review. Final verdict is recommended. This one, it's good.